Nigga.
You said what?
Loan ain't shit.
No, you said what?
I said, nigga, I said loan ain't shit.
I hear you.
Oh,
I ain't
let me
mad at
know.
you.
Let me
Hey,
know.
hey, I ain't mad at you.
Let me
You look real.
know.
Hey, you looking real nice out here. I am
Thank
not
you.
mad.
Thank you.
All
I
right, but
appreciate it.
shit, shoot me a text and shit. We about to get back into these streets.
I
I
will.
hit that bitch ass nigga right here.
Nigga, I'm trying to call y'all nigga.
I told
Nigga
you where
just
we was
trying to
at, man.
rob me. Nah,
What's up,
nigga,
bro?
right when we got off the phone, some two Hoover niggas. I dropped one. The other one got me.
No,
I just responded for 5K. Lost my chain and all.
no.
I'm
If you
scared.
should have made that call back to me, goddamn, I would have flew through.
Said I called your ass like 3 times in the
Oh, you
court.
called me on Discord? Yeah, man, I be hating that shit. I ain't gonna cap. I be ready for that bitch to stop ringing.
My bitch now. My turn, motherfucker.
I ain't see two Hoover niggas come up here.
Hell yeah, they just paid for me, though. They just
I
paid to get me
said,
back to life.
I just dropped one.
They definitely just paid for me to come back to life. With fuck you was that, nigga.
Dead.
Goddamn shame.
I called
I'm surprised you
Grandpa
had one in
ass
the
too.
strip club that we just had came from.
Hell no, I'm trying to get to the bag.
Somebody said chasing that money, yeah. Beat they ass. Hell nah. Where you go?
This nigga can't drive, boy.
Where that pedestrian go?
Hell is
They was just
that?
doing that bullshit.
Man, fuck this shit, fam. Eat a dick.
Let's say something else. Fuck around with you. Oh, a two though? Perfect, my nigga. Big. See, I threw that yerk back, nigga.
Holy shit.
Hey man, how you got them tattoos, man? My knees.